Looking for clean, compact bass power? Let's unbox the Alpine KTA-200M, a mono subwoofer amp that punches way above its size. First up, your thank you letter and owner's manual, everything you need for a smooth setup. Next, the input, output, and power harness, plus 4 zip ties to keep your install clean and secure. This compact mono amp delivers 200 watts RMS at 2 or 4 ohms with dynamic peak power for extra punch when you need it. It's CTA-2006 compliant with selectable low-pass filters, and the PowerStack Bracket lets you mount it perfectly behind the Alpine ILXW 650. The Alpine KTA-200M, compact, clean, and built to boost your bass.